This week on Dak and Chew. This week on Dak and Chew, we are coming at you with a salad recipe from an amazing farmer, chef, writer, Andrea Bemis. We are going to make her Tumbleweed Farm favorite kale salad. And it's simple, it has a nice creamy tahini dressing, lots of little goodies on top. It's a favorite salad of ours, pretty simple to throw together and great for lunches during the week. So first things first, I have already washed and spun this full bunch of kale, took the stems out, and I tore it into smallish bite-sized pieces. Just gonna transfer it to this bowl.
I love kale, and I'm not sorry about it. What I love about it is that I really, really hate soggy salad, and the nature of kale is that it can hold a lot of dressing, so you get so much dressing flavor, but you're not going to get soggy lettuce. Also, it's just available year-round and is really accessible, and so, you know, in those winter months when you can't get tasty greens, I just think the kale always kind of tastes the same.
Once you have destemmed all your kale, it's cleaned, you put it in your bowl, and I'm just gonna take like a little pinch of salt and sprinkle it all over and give it a little massage. And this just helps break down the cell walls so that it's just easier to eat. Because it is kind of toothsome. Yum, 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 yum. We are making the dressing.
So you can also do this in a small blender or food processor, but we don't feel like dirtying those tools right now. And so we're just mincing the garlic finely, and then we'll just whisk everything together. 1 clove of minced garlic into our bowl.
We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of tahini.
So then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
3 tablespoons of either tamari, soy sauce, or I'm using coconut aminos.
The suggestion is to use low sodium tamari or soy sauce if that's what you're using, because those two are a lot saltier than coconut aminos. I only have full sodium, so I might have to adjust later. The good thing I like is salty.
Almost last but not least, we have 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, brewer's yeast, whatever you call it.
The recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of water. I usually just use olive oil instead. So it'd be 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Because I used full sodium tamari, I'm actually going to do like a couple because mine's pretty salty. If it's too tangy for you, you can add a little bit more tahini. If you use coconut aminos and it's not salty enough, add a little salt. If it's too salty, just water it down with a little olive oil, but you can kind of make it how you want.
Choose your own adventure.
Julie's favorite saying.
It's flexible, Dakota, a flexible recipe.
Oh, it's flexible.
We made our dressing, we have our kale, and we have toasted some goodies to go on top.
All about the goods.
We've got toasted sesame seeds, and the recipe calls for toasted pine nuts, but on principle, I don't buy pine nuts.
You have to stand for something, you know?
You know, they're just fucking expensive, and I can't get over it.
So I just put a little dressing in the bottom of my bowl and added some massaged kale, and I'm just swirling it around. You definitely, I don't know, I like to have quite a bit of dressing because it just has such a good flavor, but you can always add more and you can't take it away, so.
It's what, Dakota?
Choose your own adventure situation. Yum. Cheers.
Cheers. It's a classic.
It's just so good. It is so savory.
It's an umami bomb.
Umami bomb. It is like the nutritional yeast. The other day I made this, and Erica, we were sitting on the couch and I sat down next to her with a big bowl of this salad, and she goes, can I have a bite of that? And I was like, it was as if I was sitting down with a bowl of spaghetti and meatballs. I'm like, who asks for like a bite pleadingly of kale salad?
Please let me have some of your greens. It's a home run, Dakota.